Guys, have you ever wondered how you could make snow? I mean, you to make snow, it's it's very simple, but today is a tutorial on how you could make snow. And I'm not joking. Actually, you could actually make snow in real life. So if you don't live in the north, if you don't live up in the north in like Minnesota or something, I live in California and there's like no snow here, and it rarely ever rains, like 16 times a year. It's a bit, but anyways, today's tutorial is how to make snow. So what you'll need is you'll need some baking soda and some water. And that is it. I am no joke. Just those two ingredients. That is so easy. You might be like, what? That is so easy. I know, right? This is very easy. This is a snow slime. Not slime. This is a snow that I made earlier. No joke. I'm not lying right now. Look at this. If I open this up, bam, look at that. That white stuff, that is snow. See, look at how my finger is trailing into the tracks. And you can't, I don't know if you can see that, but there's the snow. It is very soft and super fun to play with. And it is super cheap to make. So as I said before, you need some baking soda and some water, and that's about it. Just add how many baking soda you want. And the recipe I found says to put 1 cup, but that's only if you want a lot of snow. But I only made a little bit of snow, so you don't need much. But just mix those two up. It depends how much baking soda you put, how much water you put. Put like 1/3 water in the baking soda whatever you had, and then you don't even need to mix it. You just need to put it into the freezer for 15 minutes, and that's it. You just take it out and it's ready. The only side effect is that snow, as it does in real life, it melts, and yeah, the snow could melt. And you have to put in the freezer before it's way too late. And then you can't even play with the snow anymore. So constantly when you feel like it needs to be put in the freezer again, just put it in the freezer, and it relieves in its cold Arctic region. And no joke, that's actually how you make slime. And if you have a whole entire pack of baking soda, go ahead. Just go make snow, and then just surprise your neighbor or your friend, and their socks will literally blow off. Trust me. I just made this snow a couple of minutes ago, and I did not believe this, but this monstrosity is awesome. And that's about it. Hope you like this snow recipe. See you in the next tutorial. Goodbye.